Hey, it's Dan Froelke here, and in this video, I'm going to reveal how you can earn big commissions with high-ticket affiliate marketing step by step. This strategy that I'm going to show you is current and working right now, and you're going to see how myself and others are earning these high-ticket commissions of $800, $2,400, and $4,000 per sale paid directly to us by cashier's check, money order, Cash App, or Zelle. I get these commissions all the time, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. But here's the best part. I have a professional sales team in place that calls all your qualified leads, answers all their questions, they do all the selling and trailing for you, and when a prospect says yes, a minimum of $800 all the way up to $4,000 gets sent directly to you. So what I want to share with you in this video is the exact new marketing campaign that allows me to make $4,000 instant commissions on autopilot. And this new marketing campaign includes a high converting funnel and system that will allow you to get paid instantly when you start promoting this exact system. You'll also discover how you can use this exact campaign to start making profits online, even as a brand new beginner with absolutely no experience at all. And again, this marketing campaign is high converting and working incredibly well right now. I'm going to show you that in a little bit. I'm also going to share with you a few very easy and highly effective traffic methods that take about 30 minutes a day. These are going to be clicks to your high converting funnel, and you'll get laser targeted leads who will want to join your new business. And that's really your only job once you get this campaign up and running, to get visitors to your funnel. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that again, step by step. Now, make sure you watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how I personally will jumpstart your success and put you into profits sooner. And I've got a lot of other goodies for you as well, and you don't want to miss that, I promise you. All right, let's get this training started right now. So in this video, I want to share exactly how this new marketing campaign works and how you can get started and use it yourself. What is the affiliate program I chose to promote with this new marketing campaign? Well, it's called the Online Consistent Money System, and I've been promoting the OCM system for a little over 6 months now. I just recently hit $100,000 in high-ticket commissions, and I've earned a few awards along the way. Now, the reason why I chose this particular high-ticket program to promote is because of the product. The product has actual value, and it's in high demand, and I really feel good about selling it. So what is the product? It's traffic. It's a members-only, top tier 1 traffic company with lifetime discounts built into the membership. More on that in just a little bit. Now, if you're promoting anything online, we all know traffic is the lifeblood of your business. And we all need consistent, new, high-quality clicks to our website on a daily basis to make sales. And that's why this product is in high demand for every online marketer. In order for you to start earning these high-ticket commissions that I'm making, well, the first thing you're going to do is join one of the 3 membership levels that the OCM system has. That will determine how much you're going to earn as an affiliate, and I'll break that down for you right now. Now, first, there's the Gold membership, and this qualifies you to earn $800 commissions. It costs $1,000 to join, so whenever you refer somebody, $800 goes straight to you, and $200 goes to admin. This membership also qualifies you for a lifetime 10% discount on all traffic, and you get the resale rights to sell this Gold membership package. The Platinum membership package. This qualifies you to earn $2,400 and $800 because you're qualified to earn at the level you purchase at and any lower levels beneath you. It costs $3,000 to join, so whenever you refer someone, $2,400 goes straight to you, $600 goes to admin. This membership qualifies you for a lifetime 20% discount on all traffic. And of course, you get the resale rights to sell this membership package. Then there's the Diamond membership, And of course, this is the best place to be because of the amount of commissions you'll make, and you'll be qualified to receive commissions on all levels. The Diamond membership level qualifies you to earn $4,000, $2,400, and $800 commission. It costs $5,000 to join, and this is the level that I joined at. When you refer someone, $4,000 gets sent directly to you and $1,000 goes to admin. You're also qualified for a 30% discount on all OCM traffic orders. And of course, you'll get the resale rights to sell this package as well as the other 2 lower memberships. And I get this question often. So what happens if you're, let's say, at the $1,000 level and someone joins you at the $5,000 level? Well, for sure you're going to get your $800 commission, and the remainder rolls up to your sponsor. And anytime you want to upgrade, you can always pay the difference in the admin fee and the membership level fee. So I wanted to get into that campaign that I want to share with you and how this OCM system flows. But first, I want to let you know, if you are a brand new beginner online, this high-ticket business is perfect for you. And in my opinion, it's the best high-ticket business out there because the company gives you everything you need to succeed. And that includes a capture page, a high-converting sales presentation, and they'll set up everything for you. And that includes your autoresponder with follow-up emails. You don't have to set the system up at all. They will do it all for you. And this also includes a professional phone team to make all your sales for you. They do it all. They do all the selling and telling for you. And you'll make direct sale commissions of $800, $2,400, and $4,000 paid directly to you. Now, I've been in high-ticket affiliate marketing for a long time, and one thing that you need to do in order to have success in high-ticket is pick up the phone and talk to people. Now, myself, I have no problem in picking up the phone and talking to people, but 99.9% of all people feel very uncomfortable doing this. And to be honest with you, they're not very good at it. So when you really think about it, a person is not going to spend $1,000, $3,000, or even $5,000 without at least speaking to somebody. And that's why I absolutely love the online consistent money system, because they removed all the barriers that keep people failing from high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now that you've seen the different membership levels, I want to show you the marketing campaign that I created just recently. And I also want to show you how this whole system flows and what exactly you will receive when you join. Now that you've seen the different membership level packages, I want to show you the marketing campaign that I created recently and how it all flows, and how you can copy this exact campaign and make these high-ticket commissions for yourself. As you can see here, I've got 300 clicks of top tier 1 traffic sent to my OCM system, right to my capture page. And I'm going to show you at the end of this video how you can get this traffic absolutely free. Again, that's at the end of this video. I created this little flowchart so you can see exactly how this system works. Again, 300 clicks going right to the capture page. And let me show you that. So here's that high converting capture page that we have here. Discover the fastest and easiest way to make 6 figures online. Start earning commissions of $800, $2,400, and $4,000 per sale that we make for you. No experience is needed, free access below. So a prospect's going to put their email address in here, then they're going to give this a click, and then they're going to get automatically redirected to the high converting sales page right here. And at the exact same time, they're going to start receiving follow-up emails from you. And what I love about the system, if you are a brand new beginner online, you don't have to worry about setting anything up, because the company, they're going to set all this up for you. They're going to add the follow-up email series to your autoresponder and create this entire funnel for you. You don't have to do a thing. And inside of each email, there's going to be a link to your high converting sales page. I want to show you that right now. And again, once the prospect puts their email address in here, they will automatically be redirected to the sales funnel. And this is a high converting sales funnel, and everyone gets this exact same thing. And I'm using this thing to make these high ticket commissions. This is all I use. I'm using the exact same funnel that you're going to be using. And this video explains all about the system, and then they can click on this little link right here. They'll be redirected to this page right here, and it's going to explain all about our product, okay? All about the traffic packages. They're also going to add your name in multiple places in the funnel with the 800 number for the call center. All right, so a prospect is going to go through this entire system, and if they have any questions at all, or they just want to join, they can call that number and speak to a professional and get all their questions answered, and they join right there as well. Because when a person calls this number, the very first thing they're going to ask the prospect is, who is your referrer? Okay, what is the name on the website? You're going to say, it's Dan Froelke. And that's how they know, of course, who's going to make the sale. All right, we'll scroll down a little bit, and you see a lot of testimonials. Now, that person is a member of my team. She joined me. And then there I am right there, $12,800 in just 4 days. That's when I first started. And this page does all the selling and telling for you. More testimonials there. This guy here, he joined me. He's on my team. $6,400 in just 1 week. And there is Christina as well. And as I mentioned earlier, you're going to get this exact same funnel, the same one that I'm using, to make these $800, $2,400, and $4,000 instant commissions. Now, feel free to pause this video at any time and click the link below in the description of this video. It's handsfreeprofits.com. Make sure you put your very best email in to this capture page right here. And then when you're going through this system, I want you to look at it also in the eyes of a prospect. Okay, so you'll see exactly how this system flows, and it really is high converting. Now, I want to show you how you can get that free traffic that I was referring to earlier. Not only will you get a complete custom sales funnel set up for you by the company, you'll also get a team of business professionals doing all the heavy lifting and the selling telling for you. And that's the professional sales team, the call center. And I'm also going to do something very special for you when you put your trust in me and join me in the online consistent money system at any level. And what you're looking at now are my exclusive team bonuses. As a bonus for putting your trust in me and joining me in the OCM system through my link below in the description of this video, I want to help you get your first sale by reaching into my own pocket and paying for your first advertising campaign. This is top tier 1 traffic responsible for $100,000 in commissions paid to me over the past 6 months. And here's the details. Join me at the gold level, the $1,000 level, and you will receive a 300-click OCM system top tier 1 traffic package, and that's a real value of $210. This comes right out of my pocket. Join me at the platinum level. That's the $3,000 level, and you'll receive a 500-click OCM system top tier 1 traffic package, and that's a $350 value. And join me at the diamond level, and you will receive a 1,000-click OCM system top tier 1 traffic package, and that's a real value of $700 coming right out of my pocket. I'm going to reach into my own pocket, pay for your first advertising campaign, and hopefully you'll get your very first sale. Of course, I can't guarantee a sale, but I can guarantee that this is quality top tier 1 traffic. And here's another fantastic bonus right here, because you'll have the ability to give away my bonuses. And if you've been following me for any length of time, then you'll know that I do very well with these high ticket programs, while both low ticket and high ticket. In fact, I'm usually number 1 on the leaderboard for every single program that I've ever promoted, and I've been doing this for over 12 years now. And one of the things that I do very well, and I teach others to do, is to set myself apart from others by offering incentives or bonuses for those who join me. So what I want to do for you is to set you up for success by offering you the ability to use these bonuses, my bonuses, to help convert sales and set you apart from others. So I'm going to create this exact page for you so you can offer these bonuses. If you want to see this page, I'll have the link in the description of this video, or you can click that very first link handsfreeprofits.com. You can opt in, and then you'll receive an email from me right away. Inside the email, we'll have this page right here with all my bonuses, all my team bonuses. So I'm going to create this exact page for you. Of course, I'm going to highlight you on this page, and you can give away all these bonuses. For example, this will be a picture of you up here with your contact information. And I can replace this video with one of yours or a generic one that I have. If you want to, you can create your own little intro, and I'll just slap that in there. And this whole page will be customized to you, okay? I won't be on it at all. Now, how much is this page worth? Well, I've made over $100,000 now with this system using this page. I hope all that made sense to you and helps you make an informed decision about the online consistent money system. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. I always appreciate that. If you have any questions at all, reach out to me in the comment section below or personally. I'll leave my contact information below as well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Again, I hope you got some value out of this. I just wanted to share with you what exactly is working for me right now in this high-ticket affiliate marketing niche. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.